Bump it, you can stare at the carpet and it's scary.
Merry Crimbo!
Merry Crimbo. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That'll be done for Emma, won't it?
Emma's is in. Emma's done. That's Sydney. Absolutely chucking it down.
Is it?
Look at it, Sydney. Sure.
Oh dear.
Oh yeah. Not today.
This morning it was. Probably emerges on Galaxy this morning.
That's alright.
And there is always a chance to listen to the chat, the interview.
Right, I'm going to go root. I'm rooted. Come be upstairs, come on. Come on. Come. The cookie being fed? Oh. Pumpkin. No, has she been fed? Why does she have her own bed? My God, Gillian. Who's been in here?
Don't know.
Someone's been in room.
Why?
Because the stuff...
Changed about. No one I ain't been in, it's probably them too.
No, that was a joke, Matthew.
Oh,
Someone's
right.
been here. Oh my God. No one clicks in.
No vouchers. Yeah. Have you heard about Shibden? Yeah, so you're going in taxis, aren't you? Yeah. It's typical, isn't it, this time of year?
Yeah.
No vouchers. Yeah. Have you heard about Shibden? Yeah, so you're going in taxis, aren't you? Yeah. It's typical, isn't it, this time of year?
Yeah. Bit of JD, you know, don't go wrong. And...
Yeah, she says make sure you look in all your bags because there might be things at the back.
And some next gift cards.
Oh.
Thank you very much, Grandma.
It says on the front.
I know, mine's your own.
Well, you looked at my jelly.
You might get
willies.
less.
These are Jelly Willies.
Yeah.
Okay, that's getting awkward.
I'll open this one. Do a rendition.
I wonder what that might be.
I don't know.
I think it's...
What does it say?
Gravy granules.
Guess what it says, so even you thought. I'd have to guess. I'm pumpkin it back down.
You'd do the same, wouldn't it, without optional Caesars? You know I'll end up eating one from anywhere.
Maltesers there, I never get there.
Oh, well I never. What could it be? Oh my goodness, how do I open this up quickly?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Oh my good grief, it's Maltesers! Yay!
From Matthew Rubicon. Good wrapping, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Is it better than yours, or is it the same one? Was that nice?
Is that door closing?
Oh, thank you, bro.
It's one that's got batteries. Well, it needs batteries as well. You don't have to change it like mine.
I want to be like him.
You are like him.
No, but look, he's got
He's got loads of guns.
Hundreds of cars this time.
Yeah.
What, you mean like last year?
Yeah.
No, that was Emma.
That was me shooting you.
He shot you at bum. What is what I'm talking about?
I have brought some batteries, but they're my rechargeable ones, so I'll have to get you some normal
well,
ones.
why did they take double A's or something?
Double A's, yeah.
Double A's.
Yeah, they don't have some of them remote
What,
control.
what does it take back? Is it rapid fire or something?
It's 3 double A's.
Eddie,
Yes.
some remote control downstairs if you want to use them.
Look, I was using my initiative. Can you just fire it without?
You put no, I think you've got to put them in, because there's no cocking mechanism thing, so you've got to put the and it fires them for you.
Did you have to just put them in the side, yeah?
Why do boys
Yeah.
like stuff like that?
I don't know. You know, you feel like me.
Makes you feel more manly.
Oh, cheers, bro. I'm playing with it.
Oh, there you are.
With me now, so every time everyone watching me.
Come on, because it's you, the spotlight is on you.
Oh, it's a bottle of vodka, bro.
The proper stuff as
Oh,
well.
it is as well. It's the good stuff.
My wrapping must be quite good.
It's stuffed to the bottle.
Cheers, bro.
Alright.
Sweet ass. Probably drink that today.
Yeah.
Matthew!
We didn't need to do that, but
Okay.
It's not Maltesers.
What is it, Dyson?
The Dyson's back. Can't tell.
They can get rid of that one downstairs.
yeah. Thank you.
Alright.
That's really nice.
You have to get it charged and then you'll be able to go and do your cleaning.
Hang on a minute.
On Christmas Day.
Your mum doing cleaning. Let's think about this.
Thank you.
That's lovely.
Alright.
Are we finished?
You are such a beast. Such a beast. Oh, is this why Emma wants a string?
Yeah, probably.
That's what Eddie almost gave away. When I tried to cover it up and say, you know about that chocolate on the tree? You know, I can't keep secrets.
Well, they ruined it. I've lost one.
Oh no.
Got one
I'll
missing.
have to
There's one on the table.
No, I've just picked it up. I've got another one missing.
You shot one out that way as well, didn't you?
there are a few out there.
Downstairs.
There might be some down on the floor here as well.
Oh no, it's there. Woo!
Oh, pretty bad on it.
Mental.
Just one of you.
How does this fit over?
They're all over red. Like that.
Sorry.
Oh, Terry. What? What's going on now?
You are so bad.
I'm about to get these round. How do you rotate them first?
I don't know. So maybe you got this thingy on.
I mean, I've got two. Oh.
It might not rotate if you've got safety on. I don't know. Turn it on, see if you...
Go mad about me buying all these things.
No, you did. You did wrong this time.
I don't get that. Not supposed to rotate.
2. What are they?
I found them all.
What are these rings, are they?
Oh, hang on a minute. There's another one. Maybe a bit bigger in there.
Oh, the safety's on, that's why, you idiot.
Do you know about these, Emma?
I don't know what they are.
No. Jesus, come out fast, don't they?
A round one. I can see this one.
Which? No, it must be another.
Oh, no, that's how you do it.
I can't see anything either.
I can't say anything either.
No idea.
This?
No idea.
Why can't I see?
The do thing?
So, Matthew.
Just turn it off and click it. And it moves around.
I know.
You can put them in that way and then you're ready to fire.
See those, Emma?
They're all locked and loaded now.
Go on there.
Oh, right, yeah. All right, okay.
That's nice.
So it's better than
Yeah.
the other one where you have to cock it yourself.
It just comes out in that
Well,
amount.
yeah, very nice.
Uncle, why is that like a chicken's egg? What's you got for Christmas here?
And we are now locked in there.
How you hang these on then?
To me? Oh no, I think I got her in the eye. Oh no.
You got everything open.
She stuck her head
Don't worry, Rob.
fire. What an idiot.
While we were in the middle of all opening our things, I know my phone rang, but I didn't hear anybody else's. Just nicely finished. Yes.
So, people now will get iTunes now, and you'll go and download it. For me, I just got
Look forward to when I come back here and start drinking.
keys to that record on the top.
Me and Matthew are going to start the session.
I drink on Christmas Day, I drink. But I can't do it until I get back to the
What was your
Yeah, but we don't mind.
what was your review of the morning?
The review, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. The only reason I don't give it a 10 out of 10 is because the book's first reason.
What was that?
Well, you normally get orange juice and champagne on the morning, and we didn't get any this morning because Terry, schoolboy. It's very, schoolboy's too nice, schoolgirl error. It was. I was appalled. Otherwise, that 9 out of 10. If it was, it'd been 10 out of 10. But I let him off because he made bacon sandwiches.
Oh, so that was good, wasn't it?
That was good.
They were nice.
What's that? Job on the squash.
Yeah, not anymore. Not since Brussels. Yeah, the city, the country, but in Bruges, but not Brussels sprouts. Not after that last competition. Yeah, I'm gonna fly home. Yeah, I mean the women will always be their own.
Nerf gun stuff.
You know, right now, I mean, you know, I'm spending most of my time here. I mean, I'm all about Russell. You know, Russell, you could be like an evil person. You know? Yeah, you're good at evil. Yeah.
Looking forward to Christmas. Right, okay.
Oh, is this a doctor?
Just looking forward to Christmas.
Oh, this doctor is one of the ones on my back. Well, that's because he's a kid. He's not interested in
Two, didn't it? I thought it finished at two. What's the pate?
Brussels and
What's Brussels?
Brussels is a smooth pate. I don't really think it's
Of
a
what
smooth
meat?
feel.
Right, put your palm out.
Is it meat?
Put
Yeah.
your
On the video.
Really. It's not so much my friends, it's more Auntie Jane and Charlotte and Grandma.
I think things go pear-shaped, but you never know till you sign on dotted line now you move in.
No.
And what did they say to it then? Lovely.
Yeah, well, I couldn't really remember everything about it, 'cause I think
We're going to the...
they're just... Oh, parsnips.
Michael Bublé on Magic 105.4.
There's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time.
These are really hot.
World of plenty.
Piggies in blankets. Off. I am going to eat it. And then I am going to put you in the
game, you got a fantastic holiday to Florida, didn't you?
Yes, and I appreciate that. Thank him.
Well, splendid stuff. So come on, Buttons. Let's have something good out of there. 5,000.
Right, I'm going. Well, you need to close the door and then that's it. Bye!
Merry Christmas!